Welcome to Calvin Coolidge Elementary School in Shrewsbury, Massachusetts. Today, we're going to be meeting some of the amazing animals in a great new nonfiction picture book called PIPSQUEAKS, SLOWPOKES, and Stinkers, celebrating animal underdogs. Everybody loves me. Elephants are so big and strong.
Everyone respects me. Cheetahs are fast and fierce.
Hey, you two, step aside. This book isn't about you.
That's right. It's about us, the underdogs.
I'm an Amu frog, and I'm a pipsqueak. I'm a Galapagos tortoise, and I'm a slowpoke. I'm a Zorilla, and I'm a stinker. And we're proud of it. I'm a koala, and I'm lazy. I'm a western fence lizard, and I'm clumsy. I'm a copy, and I'm shy.
And we're proud too.
I'm a naked mora. Some people say I'm the oddest animal of all, but I don't mind a bit. You want to know why?
Yes, why?
There's only one way to find out.
Read the book!
Did I miss it? Oh, morats. Thanks, Melissa Stewart, for letting us take a peek at PIPSQUEAKS, SLOWPOKES, and Stinkers, celebrating animal underdogs.